Hey, Ed here from 10,000 Foot View, and I've got another Google Ads quick tip for you today. Just before I jump in, a quick reminder to please subscribe to the channel and like our content. We post on Google Ads once or twice every week. So today, I am going to be talking about power words, which is painfully obvious from the screen that I have up here. This is from an article I wrote all about creative strategy. I will be posting different elements from this, and today is the first one. So power words, as it says here, boost your click-through rates and post-click actions, such as conversions, using psychology to make your ads more persuasive. And so effectively what you want to do is integrate these into your Google Ads headlines and descriptions, can also be on your landing page copy and can work in display ads. And what these words do is they evoke emotion to get people to take the action that you want. If you're not kind of integrating this into your creative strategy currently, it's something you should do. If you're not convinced, what I recommend doing is testing these with an ad variation. So just use the existing headline and then create a slightly different version of that using one of the power words and see what happens with your performance. The other thing you can do if you use AI to generate creatives, you can ask it specifically to include power words. Um, but this is a very powerful thing, pardon the pun. And if you're not doing it, you definitely should try it. So there are 20 power words here, which are probably the most popular ones. There are many more, and I'm going to post the link here, indicate it from Buffer with 189 additional words that you can use. So it's a quick one today, but ad copy is really important. If you're not really attending to this, you need to be. So yeah, hopefully this will benefit your campaigns. That is it for today. I will see you next time.